next, we have the Hex chart.
Thanks for having me on.
Pleasure having you on. You're out.
I got to leave, yeah.
He's got to leave. All right. Thanks for coming on. You're always welcome on here, Hex Hero.
All right.
Be sure to leave a super. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so we got the Hex price. Hex has been about 458 days since all-time highs. So it's over a year, about a year and a quarter since all-time highs. Has Hex bottom? We are now at 2.44 cents. Is this the bottom or are we going lower? That's really the big question. As you know, so it's been a long time. Bitcoin usually bottoms a year and change after its top. Has Hex bottomed or is Hex very close to the bottom? That's really the question that we got to ask. We could delete this just for clarity, but it's been 458 days since all-time highs. And we are still in this descending triangle. This is what happens. You made me a TA guy. Descending triangle. If we break the support line, then we are headed for lower prices. But if we break this resistance, then we have a price target. It's based on this over here. We have a price target of 18.85 cents if we break this resistance. Are we going to break this resistance? I don't know. What do you guys think? I think eventually we will. The question is not if, the question is when. Do we have some more time going down or going sideways? I don't know. Nobody knows. Could have bottomed already. May not have bottomed. But if you believe that Hex will go up over time, if you believe it's one of those cryptos that should make it, that is going to make it, timing the bottom is not a good idea, in my opinion, not financial advice. And we got Crypto Elite. I wish I could join the chat as well. Always wanted to be on the video. Okay. I mean, maybe we can do that. I got to see you on Twitter. Maybe do a little bit of vetting, but DM me. We got Cookie Di Chocolata says, where can I learn how to receive an airdrop of Pulse? I need to instruct myself on this, but I don't know how or where to start. Well, there's a lot of places to learn, but I actually do one-on-ones. If you email me, furufinance@gmail.com, I'll get back to you with the rates and if we confirm it with a link to a StreamYards, and I can sit down with you and walk you through the entire thing. If that is what you want, obviously it costs money, but I'd be happy to do that. It supports me, which supports the show and hopefully supports you. There's also just a lot of good content. If you go to Richard Hart's live streams, I mean, it will take time, but if like you watch through his content around when he decided to start pulsechain, and you take the time to maybe look up words that you don't understand and figure it all out, that's another way to do it. I'm sure there are other content creators. There's Crypto Coffee. There's K4K Crypto. There's a lot of content out there on pulsechain, but it does take time because you have to really sift through videos and stuff. So I think the best thing to do would be to email me at furufinance@gmail.com or DM me on Twitter @furufinance, and we can do a consultation and I could walk you through everything. But in terms of receiving the airdrop of Pulse, so you're not getting an airdrop of Pulse, you're getting an airdrop of all your ERC20. So you have tokens on Ethereum tokens that are built on Ethereum, whatever's in your wallet will be copied over onto pulsechain. So you'll have a copy of all your ERC20s as PRC20s. Are they going to be worth as much as your ERC20s? Probably not, but the market will decide that, except for Hex. Hex PRC20 might be worth more than Hex ERC20. What an ERC20 is and what a PRC20 is it's complicated. I'll be happy to break it all down for you in a consultation if you email me at furufinance@gmail.com. But if not, there's plenty of good content you could sift through, although it will take more time. But thanks for asking. We actually did have the review from Medisting. We actually just got off a one-on-one, and he was kind enough to say these nice things. So thank you. And moving on. So yeah, Hex price action, like Bitcoin, relatively boring. Crypto market, blood on the streets. Wow, look at this. Everything down except for XDC. You got this USDN lost its peg. clearly, because it's down 32%. Trust Wallet token, the token everyone thought would do well during the bear market, is down. Hex down 15.5%, Filecoin down 33%, Phantom down 20.4%, Flow 20.5%, Doge down 20%, Chainlink down 14%, Sand down 23.7%, FTT continues to cascade, is down 35.2% on the day. Wow, Solana down 16, DOT down 16. Blood in the streets. And yes, please do. Yes, that would be great. We got blood in the streets. We are down a lot in the market, but not down considerably. Bitcoin, what I really look at is Bitcoin's price action, because all the other cryptos are pretty much leveraged to Bitcoin, so to speak. So when Bitcoin drops like 2-3%, like a negligible amount, they could drop 10, 20, 30%. So we haven't seen much. Price action with Bitcoin. I'm hoping that whatever happens, whether it's the cascade to that 11K or, that run up signifying that the bottom is done, I hope that happens sooner than later, because things have been just so boring on Twitter. But within the Hex ecosystem, there's always things going on, and we're going to cover Hex on Twitter. But moving on, we got Hex daily stats. Check Hex daily stats on the daily, and feel free to send them a donation. I know there's a donation interest. They deserve it. So let's put it that way. But liquidity pools. Yeah, figure it out. There's a way to send them a donation, and they deserve it. But we could go to my favorite number is the number of new current holders and current stakers, the changing current stakers. We got 2 current holders today. Net increase 2 current holders, which is very little. But yesterday, which I didn't do a stream, we got 39 new holders. So we have a total in the past 2 days of 41 new holders of Hex, 41 people who have not ever had exposure to Hex in their wallet that are now interested in buying Hex. We have, between today and yesterday, we have 46 new stakers, changing current stakers. We are at all-time highs with new holders and stakers, like we are every day during the bear market, thus meaning the bull market, the bullish divergence continues, and Meta staying. Just book with Furu, you'll learn 10 times faster. Yeah, true. Thank you. Appreciate that. And moving on,